Hang a chili on your plant? Sounds strange, right? But believe it or not, farmers have been quietly using this trick for years, and it works like magic. By simply hanging a chili on your plant, you can protect it naturally, boost growth, and even increase yield, all without chemicals. Let me show you how this unusual hack actually helps your plants thrive. Take one fresh red or green chili. Instead of crushing it, just pierce it with a small pin or needle. This allows its strong natural oils to slowly release. Now tie this chili gently onto the stem or a nearby branch using thread or soft cloth. Don't worry. The plant won't be harmed. Over time, the chili releases a light scent that acts as a natural repellent. This simple trick keeps away harmful pests like aphids, caterpillars, and beetles. Plus, the presence of chili signals to insects that the plant isn't safe to attack. Hey, farmers say it reduces damage and saves their harvest. So next time you see pests munching your plants, don't reach for chemicals. Just hang a chili. A tiny step with powerful results.